Hi guys, welcome to this session on Microsoft PowerPoint. In this module I want to have a look at the zoom feature, how you can create a zoom for your PowerPoint presentation. So at the moment I've already created one and you can see the end product here. If I put this into full screen you can see how it works. So basically if I click on any of these sections which I've already created, it will just let me click through that section, and then once I've clicked through that section it will return to this zoom screen. So there's a different section and then goes through those slides in that section and then comes back, and that last one there clicks through as many as there is in that section and then comes back. Now to create this you need to use sections. So I've created sections which I'm now going to get rid of. Remove sections, remove all sections, and I'll delete that summary slide altogether, and then I'll just recreate it. So what I did, very simply, start off there, don't need the one in the title, and then you create a section. So this is going to be add section, task list, and rename that. You come down and that's task types, so I'll go linking tasks there, add section, linking tasks, come down, then we've got resources, so a new section, add section, resources, and then coming down we've got another section there, baseline, add section, baselines, and I think that'll do. Got reports, track change, all baselines. So now what you do is you go to the Insert tab and you select Zoom. So you've got section zooms, you can click on that one if you wanted a link. So basically it's a link to that section and you can put that on any slide, or a slide zoom, but I want to do a summary zoom, so I'm clicking on this one and it's picked up the sections that I've already created and they're highlighted and ticked, selected. So then you just go insert and it creates a summary section at the top. So I'm just going to collapse down and move to the bottom because I want that at the end of the project, end of the PowerPoint should I say. Open it up a bit so you can see it, and that's all you do. So again, when you put that into full screen you can click on that bit, go through those like so. So I suppose at the end of a PowerPoint presentation, if you've got this summary slide and people start asking you questions, you can quickly go through that particular section. Or at the beginning of a presentation, if you've got multiple people, instead of using custom shows, you could just have this as the first slide and then the first person goes through their slides, comes back to this, and then the next person starts clicking on their name, comes back to this, and you have a superb feature, easy to use, and it's called Zoom. And that is all I'm going to go through in this little session, so thank you for your time.